In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore records from the recycle bin in Salesforce. First, go to Salesforce and sign in with your Salesforce credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to access the area where deleted records are temporarily stored. This is useful anytime a record has been removed by mistake and needs to be brought back quickly. Next, open the recycle bin. To do that, click the app launcher, which is the grid icon, or simply navigate to your Salesforce homepage if you're not already there. In the search area, type recycle bin, then select recycle bin from the results. Depending on how your Salesforce environment is configured, you may also be able to find it in the left navigation panel. If you don't see it right away, using the search is usually the fastest option. Once the recycle bin is open, choose the correct view. Salesforce usually gives you two main options. My recycle bin shows records that you personally deleted. Org recycle bin shows records deleted by all users, but access to that view depends on your permissions. Make sure you choose the view that is most likely to contain the record you want to restore. After that, locate the deleted record. If the recycle bin contains a lot of items, use the available tools to narrow things down. You can search by name, apply filters, or sort the list to make the record easier to find. Taking a moment here can save time, especially if multiple records were deleted around the same period. When you found the correct record, restore it by checking the box next to it and then clicking Restore. Salesforce will move the record back to its original location and restore most related data as well. This makes recovery straightforward in many common situations. Finally, verify that the restoration was successful. Navigate to the relevant object, such as leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, or cases, depending on the type of record you restored. Then confirm that the record appears where you expect it to be. As a best practice, always double check that you selected the right record before restoring it, especially in shared environments. And after the restore is complete, it's a good idea to confirm the record's details and related information are present as expected. That's how to restore records from the recycle bin in Salesforce.